Hello students, there is an interesting problem related to straight line concept. Problem is the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point -2, 9. Find the equation of the line. We should try to understand this problem through figure. See, this is x, dash axis, this is y, dash axis, this is origin, and this is the line. This point is B and this point is A. According to the problem, -2, 9 point lie on this line. Suppose this point is P, that is 2, -2, 9. Coordinate of this point is -2, 9. This is origin. Actually, this point is the foot of this perpendicular drawn from the origin, that is OP. OP is the perpendicular, and you know the coordinate of the origin is 0, 0, and the coordinate of the point P -2, 9. Dear, try to understand this OP is perpendicular to AB. So we have a relation when two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their slope products, yani product of their slope must be equal to -1. This point you have to memorize. Okay, so we can first of all find the slope of this line OP. Slope of line, that is your perpendicular. Concept by 2 minus by 1 upon x2 minus x1. By using this concept, this will equal to 9 minus 0 upon -2 minus 0, that is -9y2 is the slope of the line OP. According to the relation, or you can say let the slope of AB be M. So the product of this and product of this must equal to -1. M into -9/2 is equal to -1. When we will solve, then M will equal to plus 2/9. This is the slope of the line AB. And according previous knowledge, equation of a line AB passing through the point -2, 9 and having slope 2/9. Concept is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Y1 is 9, m is 2/9, x is x, and x1 is -2, that is +2. After simplification, you will get the result 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. Okay, students?